Look at these colors first thing this morning. It is gorgeous out at the beach right now. Incredible. The wind is blowing offshore right now, and it's not a lot of wind, but it will come up around 10 to 15 knots later this afternoon, so it does get a little bit on the bumpier side. Right now, it's just absolutely gorgeous, as you can see out there. 80 degrees right along the coast, 75-degree dew point. It is humid out there. Beach forecast for today, the water temperature is at 86 degrees. The UV index is 11, so that means you can get burned in less than 10 minutes. That's extreme. So don't forget the sunscreen. One of my sons will always rub his eyes, so you get sunburn right under his eyes. Don't forget to reapply to the kids, especially when they're in and out of the water. Sunset this evening at 8:16. And yeah, there'll be an isolated shower chance after about 1 o'clock. I think the rain chance will be right in here. So the beaches, for the most part, stay dry, but keep an eye out because we'll have one or two that get close to the coast early this afternoon. 82 in Clearwater, 81 in Lutz and Lakeland. We've got 85 in Valrico. Fishhawk a little bit cooler than that. 78 in Port Manatee and 83 in Sarasota this morning. We've got clear skies for the most part, but again, daytime heating will turn partly cloudy. Then we'll start to develop those showers and storms. Now, here's the latest run of the model. This is around 1:30, so some scattered showers and storms along and west of I-75. A few south and east of there as well, but you get the idea. It's along the coast that it gets started, and then it works its way inland. This is around 3 o'clock. Then you see right around 5 to 6 o'clock, obviously, Polk County, where we've been seeing scattered showers and storms. That's the best chance. Now, these will linger a little bit like what we saw yesterday. We've got some dry air up above us, so we could see some hail makers out there this afternoon. And then some of that rain will try and come back towards the coast this evening, 7, 8, this is 9 p.m. So keep an eye on that for your Saturday night plans. I wouldn't cancel anything, but certainly the best chance for rains east of I-75 for today. That's tomorrow morning. That's tomorrow afternoon. Very similar setup. Everything works its way inland. The difference is tomorrow there's just less coverage altogether. So kind of the same timing with everything, just less rain popping up. Now Monday, look a little bit like today. In fact, we'll bring the shower chances back, especially as you work your way inland in the afternoon. And then there will be more coming back towards the coast, at least trying to on Monday evening. Tuesday, Wednesday, better chances for rain. In fact, all the way back towards the coast. So hang in there. It's coming. Rainy season kind of getting started up here. All right, there's your forecast for today. 90 to 92 for a daytime high. 30% chance along the coast, 50 to 60%, especially you get out into Polk County. Now, here is the boating forecast. Northeast winds to the northwest, but look what happens this afternoon. This is right around 3 o'clock. See the wind picking up a little bit. And that does include the bay. So watch Beer Can Island get a little bumpy after about 2:30. Moderate chop out there on the bay. Certainly the mouth of the bay will have more of a chop. So headed out to the north end of AMI, stuff like that. All right, here's tonight's planner. Down through the 80s into the 70s. Another warm, another muggy evening like we've been dealing with. Both days today and tomorrow, low 90s. Again, just a little less rain chance out there for your Sunday. And then take a look at this. This is the amount of moisture that's getting pushed our way by Monday over top of us. This is not rain. This is moisture in the atmosphere. But when you have enough moisture in the atmosphere, you can make more rain. And that's why I think rain chances will go up. Coverage will go up as we get into Monday, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, some lingering showers. And if we get this low to develop off the coast and move to the northeast away from us, that would bring us some drier air for Friday. We'll have to wait and see if that happens.